In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the inventory quantity add-on, which displays the stock level for each product variant. Firstly, you're going to want to have stock available in a product. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to have the black with no quantity and the black multi with 10. Head into your theme editor, navigate to the theme settings, open the Debutify add-ons. Just make sure that the inventory quantity is checked on. Now let's just navigate to the Chaos When product. So we can see here the add-on isn't displaying. But if we check on the black multi, we can see it here, only 10 left in stock. Now, when we're in the theme settings, we can scroll down to inventory quantity and we can customize this a little bit more. The icon is currently set to history, which is just this little clock with a backwards arrow. The prefix is only, so just before the number, and the suffix is left in stock. And then a little bit down, you can have this unchecked to show the real inventory, which is 10, but we can also have a random inventory between 3 and 14. And here you go, 12. And that is the inventory quantity add-on. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.